So, not actually really doing anything big, not adding anything to the truck today, but figured I'd go ahead and do a little update on something that was added this week. I added the tint on both front windows. The tint shop said they matched it to the rear, so it's supposed to be 20% across the board. To me, it looks just a shade darker, but when both of them are in the sunlight, you can't really tell a difference. Like, they look the same. So I'm happy with it. And I mean, it hasn't been real warm here in Oklahoma City. It's about 60 last couple days. And even then, it's really helped with the heat coming in. I like it already. But today, what we're removing is their dam. I seen a few things about it. People removing it on the forum, stuff like that, talk about it. I see a lot of trucks with it. I see a few without, and with the bull bar and everything like that. I just decided I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Plus, changing out the tires probably next week. Just ordered them yesterday. It said 3 to 5 days, so we'll see how long it takes. But we're going from a 275 to a 295. 275/65 to 295/70. Taller and wider. Shouldn't be any rubbing, but we'll see. I'll do a video once they're on. But for now, air dam. See the top of the bolt there? The nut's actually on the back, and they're the whole way across. So I don't think it's going to be difficult. It's just going to kind of be tedious to take all these out. But let's get started. And 10 seconds later, already has the front two out. See this? Watching the video and making sure you can see what I'm doing, and trying to hold the ratchet on. Man, people make it look so easy on their videos, but just a couple turns and it's already loose. Finish taking it out by hand. And that's all we're doing, the whole way across to take this bottom piece off here. See how it looks from that. Alright, so once you get all the bolts out, there's actually these clips. You can see here. This part here clips up into that part there, up into that slot. And there's 3 of them. One on each side, then one in the middle, and it pulls right out. Let's see how it looks. Alright, backed it up just a little bit to get more of a view here in the garage. What do you guys think? Now that the air dam is gone, better with or without? We'll see. I got to pull it the whole way out and see if I can get a better view. Man, I tell you what, now it just kind of looks bare. The front end looks so much smaller now that that's gone. I'm telling you what. But from my angle here, of course the camera changes everything and all that, how things look. But I do like it. I like how it looks. That's nice. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if it's going to make a difference. You don't like it? Let me know. If it's going to absolutely kill the gas mileage and that thing was just awesome and give me 2, 3, 4 miles extra a gallon, let me know. Hope you all have a good weekend. Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.